Hello. I'm just honored to be here. I'll try to explain smart glass. This smart glass will make human as a smart human, okay? So please listen to me for the short 10 to 15 minute session. Okay. So today I'll be explaining about the smart glass. I want to thankful to Dr. Tan and Dr. Frank. I'll try to do the same good job as the previous speaker. And my topic is, it's a reality first, digital second approach. The smart glass, maybe people would know already, there's a HoloLens, Google Glass, which were worn by human, but it was a Google type that you forehead. Apple Vision Pro is same. It's not for the frontline workers, it's for the office worker mainly. You sit on the table, you have a PC, you have a display. The display doesn't look cool, so they wear the glasses, and with the keyboard, they play around. But for the industrial area, that glass is not workable. Let's say in the industrial world, it's a smart city, smart factory, there's a frontline worker wanting to connect to the digital network at the front line. So they are working with full hand, both hands are open and working, doing the screws, doing the wireless work, doing everything. So at that moment, if they can use a smartphone, that's fine. If they can use tablet, that's fine. But most of the time, their hands are wet, oily. If there's a smart factory, there's a roll conveyor, bell conveyor, and you are tuning it with the oil is on your finger and you cannot swipe anymore. So those are made for the industrial workers at frontline. They can be a digital worker from next day, they wear this device, okay? So my device, REALWEAR, has been, developed the smart glass to be a hands-free. It's 100% voice-operated system, and it will deliver what frontline worker is seeing to the remote workers. So if there's a smart port, as Dr. Frank mentioned, if at the port worker is seeing something odd at the port, and they want to transfer that video data back to the office or somewhere at the different countries. Hey, what is this? Can you see what I see? So smart glass, this would do is see what I see. You will deliver what you're seeing to the remote opponent and get the real-time advice or consultations. And at the same time, we try to make this safety. So you will know our device is no cable. This is just a rubber band so that it will fit into your head. And also, if you drop it, it doesn't break because it's industrial grade. Okay? This is a smart glass. So it's same as smartphone, but if you can use smartphone, I recommend using smartphone because it's easy to swipe. If your hand is dirty, please consider this. This is a smart glass. So I'll just go ahead. XR, this is very tough with today's technology. VR, MR, AR. It's all the virtual mixed reality, 3D, but today's CPU, GPU is not really ready. If you run it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, battery gets warm, chipset gets warm, so we need to wait a little bit more. So the REALWEAR stands at assisted reality, which means if you wear this device, we only give assisted digital information to smart human who's working at the smart factory or smart city, smart industries, okay? So this is the technique we use, and nothing super about this. We just make a hands-free tablet that they can wear on the head and communicate at the network connectivity, connected to the corporate network immediately, do Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx to the remote opponent. That's the first use case, and we often see this. So today, what we do is we do this business globally, and the interesting point is we sold about 75,000 devices, but to only 7,500 customers globally, which means one enterprise average is 10 devices, right? So that's how this is. This is designed for frontline workers. So that's the difference from while we do B2B, we only target to the frontline workers mainly, okay? And of course, there's a 19 language supported. It's a voice-operated system, so Cantonese is supported, English is supported, Taiwanese, Japanese, so on, Spanish, Portugal, German, it's all supported, okay? So this is a better explanation on the video. Let me run this video to explain what this is. It's 100% hands-free. It's a modular design. Modular meaning you can take off the battery, camera, you can change it to the better one if you get tired or bored. And there's a display on this boom arm, and you will see as what you see on the display. Display is equipped on this boom arm. And revolutionarily, with the FLIR automation, with the alliance with FLIR, we made a thermal camera equipped on this smart glass, which means industrial worker will know what is hot by just seeing through these glasses. So you don't have to wear the, you don't say, ouch, it's hot. You would know by eye, okay, immediately. And the battery itself is not like smartphone. Smartphone, you have to buy another one. If the battery dies real quick, lithium-ion battery will last only 2 or 3 years. But you can have an extra battery with our devices because it's a modular design, and it's also IP66 rated. So under the rain, you can still keep using it. And a voice command operated, okay? I think I got enough of the introduction here. So let me click through. And there's a 2 model that we do is Navigator 500, Navigator 520. These are the 2 main glasses we sell. Just only the difference is the display size, okay? And the FLIR, this is a thermal image, which human eye cannot identify by just looking at it. Human needs to touch it or feel it by the skin, right? But from the eye point of view, you will know what's hot and not. So these are just an image photo that you will see through these glasses. And the key industry is actually many industries you could name. It covers any industry, but only to the frontline workers. This is not designed for the office workers, okay? So this is our smart glass, and it's been deployed to many industries around the globe. And the actual use case is, from out of the box, you can use it for document navigator to see the PDF, Word documents. Visual assist is another one. And mostly, I think the most use case is a remote expert guidance. You call up somebody and you get the remote assistance. It's like doing Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Cisco WebEx using this smart glass. And the trend right now is a digital workflow, especially on the smart factory areas, because all the equipment is coming to be a new equipment coming to the factory, and not many people knows how to operate it correctly. So at that case, you need a workflow. Step 1, power on. Of course, everybody knows. Step 2, you have to do this. Step 3, step 4, digital guidance will show up on this smart glass, so you can enter your factory by hands-free. Your hands are open, and just wearing these devices, you can go in. Another area that we try to focus is IoT data visualization, is more like connected with IoT sensors through BLEs, Bluetooth beacons. Then the glass would know you are in the danger zone for 20 minutes, you have to get out, etc. Okay? Those can be possible. Let's see the real video, which is better than my explanation. Yes, that was the video of remote assistance. And this use case is very easy to understand and the first step of using a smart glass because you have to enter the factory alone. But thinking about if you enter in the factory with 2 persons, that's too much. It's not effective. If you go alone and wearing this device and get the support only when you need it, that was the idea. Another use case is a little bit combination of remote assistance and digital workflow. This is a rail cargo group use case, inspection of the train cargo. This is where a little bit of AI, OCR scan is happening.
10. Confirm. Open camera. Take photo.
At this point, they know which cargo they are trying to inspect. And here you see the crack.
Open anomaly. Open camera. Take photo. Enter code 322. Call support. I'm performing an inspection on a train, and there's a strong smell coming from the 3rd wagon.
Show me the wagon number and the labels of dangerous goods. It's ethyl acrylate, a class 3 flammable liquid. The UN number is 1917. See. Let me check the safety distance. To be safe, stay upwind, 14 meters from the wagon. I'm sharing with you the safety data sheet. Toxicological information is in section 11.
Close inspection.
This is a digital work log uploading to the cloud so that at this point, Delhi is uploading all the data, so the center side will know who, at when, what cargo is inspected, and what anomaly was found. That's going to be digitally recorded. So in the future, or you can also predict which cargo is going to break down in anytime soon. So those are the digital recordings. The last one, is the little bit of an idea of inspection of little bit using AI technology and reading the gauge.
Most problems encountered during factory facility inspections are caused by human error. Incomplete checklists and inaccurate data recording lead to inefficiencies and can compromise safety. AI Coach offers frontline workers an effective solution to swiftly overcome operational inefficiencies. AI Coach empowers operations with unbiased, real-time assessments and precise records. The navigation tool allows users to access the facility's inspection map, displaying each inspection spot's location and status. Operators can easily follow step-by-step instructions to assess each checkpoint. AI detection can be applied to gauges across the facility. This enables rapid, standardized, and accurate assessments, quickly identifying anomalies. Utilize AI to automatically generate reports upon inspection completion. Reports showcase detection outcomes and anomalies recorded. With the synergy of AI Coach and REALWEAR's AI capabilities, teams can create optimal solutions for industrial sites. Guided inspections coupled with real-time AI detection enhance work quality and decrease human errors, providing immediate value to your meticulous record systems.
Yes. And this is my end of the presentation. REALWEAR will try to involve more AI to the technology and try to help more smart factory, smart digitalization to the industries. Thank you for listening, but please remember this smart glass. If the human is worn, human's gonna be smart human. Thank you very much.